Welcome to Healthy Conversation. Science quiz objective questions and answers for class 2 and 3. Question: aloe vera give us A. Nuts, B. Fruits, C. Pulses, D. Medicines. Correct answer is D. Medicines. Question: mustard, sunflower, coconut oil give us A. Leaves, B. Oil, C. Pulses, D. Medicines. Correct answer is B. Oil. Question: cloves and bay leaves is a dash. A. Pulses, B. Fruit, C. Flower, D. Spices. Correct answer is D. Spices. Question: which nutrients play an essential role in muscles building? A. Protein, B. Iron, C. Carbohydrate, D. Fat. Correct answer is A. Protein. Question: we get paper from A. Bamboo plant, B. Mango plant, C. Banana plant, D. Cotton plant. Correct answer is A. Bamboo plant. Question: dog, cat, parrot are called A. wild animals, B. farm animals, C. pet animals. Correct answer is C. pet animals. Question: cocoa is used to make dash. A. coffee, B. tea, C. chocolate, D. sugar. Correct answer is C. chocolate. Question: a plant that gives us perfume. A. neem, B. jute, C. rose. Correct answer is C. rose. Question: eucalyptus gives us A. wood, B. fiber, C. medicine, D. paper. Correct answer is D. paper. Question: which is the closest planet to the sun? A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Mercury, D. Earth. Correct answer is C. Mercury. Question: mint is A. trees, B. herbs, C. shrubs. Correct answer is B. herbs. Match the following: A. tea leaves, coffee, B. coffee beans, tea, C. sugarcane, chocolate, D. coca seed, sugar. Correct answer is A. tea leaves make tea, B. coffee beans make coffee. C. Sugarcane makes sugar. And D. Cocoa seeds make chocolate. Subscribe, like, share and comment my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Hip hip hooray!